Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Join me as I explore Sapporo in a day. While finding a trash bin in Japan is rare, you'll still never spot trash. It's that clean. Let's dive into all amazing spots you can cover in just one day in this beautiful city. Please stay till the end and enjoy the journey with me. The first stop is the iconic Sapporo TV Tower, one of the city's most famous landmarks. Located at the end of Aurora Park, it offers a stunning panoramic view of the city from its observation deck. Whether it's summer greenery or winter snow, the view from up here is always breathtaking. The cost to go up to the observation deck is around $7 for adults and $4 for children, but totally worth it for the amazing 360-degree view of Sapporo. Don't miss the souvenir and snack shop at the top. Great views and goodies in one stop. Also, don't miss Aurora Town, an underground shopping street connected to the subway near Aurora Park. If you love shopping for clothes or just want to explore local fashion, this hidden gem is a must visit. Next up is the famous Sapporo Clock Tower, one of the oldest and most iconic buildings in the city. It's a symbol of Sapporo and holds a lot of historical charm. The ticking clock still works, and inside, there's a small museum that gives a glimpse into the city's past. And how can we miss Maruyama Park? It's one of the most peaceful and scenic spots in Sapporo, perfect for a relaxing break in nature. Tozai subway line connects to the Maruyama Koen with Odori Park. Right next to the park, you will also find Maruyama Zoo, which is great if you are traveling with kids, and if you have not seen my Maruyama Zoo video, I will drop the link in the description box. Just across the road from Sapporo's famous Maruyama Park, there is a hidden gem that many tourists walk right past, Maruyama Temple. Tucked quietly among the trees, this serene Buddhist temple offers a peaceful escape from the city buzz. It's a perfect place to pause, reflect, or simply enjoy a few quiet moments. Just a few meters away from Maruyama Temple, the Sapporo Zoo Museum is home to fascinating exhibits about animal biology, evolution, and Hokkaido's native wildlife. It features taxidermy animals, fossils, interactive displays, and educational materials that give visitors a deeper understanding of the natural world and the creatures living in the zoo. My last stop of the day was Shiroi Koibito Park, also known as the Chocolate Factory, a magical place where sweet dreams come to life. From chocolate making to fairy tale buildings, it's a treat for all senses. Here at Shiroi Koibito Park, you can watch the live chocolate making process and even buy some delicious treats to take home. Perfect souvenirs from Hokkaido. This chocolate factory looks just like a fairy tale palace, with charming buildings, colorful gardens, and a magical vibe that makes you feel like you've stepped into a storybook. Let me know in the comments if you've ever visited a chocolate factory, or if this one's now on your bucket list. My tip? Try the soft serve ice cream. It's heavenly. The famous Shiroi Koibito soft serve ice cream costs around 450 yen for a regular cone and 650 yen for a jumbo size. That is $3 to $4 US. Totally worth it for a sweet treat in this magical chocolate park.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is
I hope you enjoyed this one-day Sapporo trip with me. Thanks for being a part of my journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And spread the love so I can keep bringing you more exciting adventures from around the world.